Alright guys, we've got a couple of new products from Sony, the WH-CH710n noise cancelling headphones and the XB700 truly wireless earbuds. Both of these products will be available for pre-orders this month. So once I get my hands on them, I will be coming back to you with a couple of review videos. So if you don't want to miss out on those videos, hit subscribe and ring the notifications bell. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you my take about these products based on what we know thus far. So first, let's talk about the CH710n. These are active noise cancelling headphones and they are a follow-up model of 2018's CH700n noise cancelling headphones. They retail for $200, which is quite a bit more affordable than Sony's flagship model, the WH-1000XM3. The CH710n has got some similarities to its predecessor. Similarities include its 35-hour battery life, that has not changed. It's also got the same ANC, active noise cancelling technology. Now, ANC stands for Artificial Intelligence Noise Cancellation, a dynamic system that uses microphones in the ear cups to sense the level of ambient noise around you and apply the most appropriate noise cancelling filter. So that's not changed at all from the previous model, but what's changed here is that it uses a forward and backward feeding system of microphones. So this is meant to improve the level of noise cancellation that you get compared to the previous model, the 700n. As for how exactly will its noise cancelling performance compare right now to the more expensive models like the H910n and the WH-1000XM3 remains to be seen. But this is not the only change. Some other changes include its new USB Type-C port. The previous model used micro USB for charging. It's got some changes to its physical look and feel. It's got softer edges now, so it looks more modern and sleek. But probably its biggest change here is its use of 30mm drivers compared to the 40mm drivers used in the 700Ns. Now, this could go both ways. On the one hand, I want to believe that its sound quality as a result will at least be as good as the 700N. But on the other hand, it could also mean that it might deliver a little less bass. Now, I talked about this very same topic in my video covering my projections about the XM4 headphones. In that video, I talked about how smaller headphone drivers may affect sound quality. So it's a pretty interesting video. Now, just like the XM4s, the CH710Ns will also run off a lower power consumption rate of 2 watts. So from what we're seeing right now, it seems to me that this is the general direction that Sony is taking with their new headphones. You know, headphones with smaller headphones drivers and running off a lower power consumption rate. So I suppose this is something that we could very well see in the XM4 headphones when it arrives too. Okay, now let's talk about the WF-XB700s. These are somewhat a competitor to the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus because they cost about the same amount of money. These retail for $130. The Galaxy Buds Plus retails for $150. So direct competitors, right? But if you love bass, you can expect them to punch above their weight in terms of bass performance because they have 12mm drivers inside, and that's double the size of the 6mm ones used even in the top-end model, the XM3 earbuds. So if it's powerful bass you're looking for, this might be it. It's got IPX4 water resistance. That's promising because even the more expensive models like the h.ear 3, the WF-1000XM3, they both don't have any sort of water resistant rating, but they've got an IPX4 rating, so suitable for gym use, workouts and all that. Now, in terms of battery life, they've got a total of 18 hours, which yes, may fall short of the 24 hours that you can get with the top-end models. I'm talking about the WF-1000XM3 and the h.ear 3 earbuds. But with up to 9 hours of charge in the earbuds themselves, you may not have to put the XB700s back into their charging case to charge as often as those other models. So this looks quite interesting in terms of specs at this price point, but of course some questions remain to be answered, like will it support the Sony Headphones Connect app? Because according to Sony's website, it does not seem to have the Sony Headphones Connect app support. So this means you won't be able to do things like customize the way you want these earbuds to sound and enjoy over-the-air software updates. And of course, I'm not very sure about its fit and stability too. Its design seems to mirror that of the XM3 earbuds more than the h.ear 3s, which offer a more secure fit. Now, if you want to know the difference between the XM3 earbuds and the h.ear 3s in terms of fit and stability, watch this video over here. But overall, I gotta say, despite my reservations about the XB700s, I feel that they've got a lot of potential. I mean, they look very promising, especially at that price point. So as soon as the XB700s and the CH710Ns arrive in Singapore, I will come back to you with a couple of reviews about these products. So if you don't want to miss out on those review videos, hit subscribe and ring the notifications bell. It'll be interesting to see how they perform at those price points in terms of sound quality, voice microphone quality, and audio to video latency is what I'm saying. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please show that you like this video by punching that like button with vengeance, Bruce Lee style, and sharing this video with your friends and family. I'm looking forward, bros and sisters, to seeing you in the next video. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top, and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going, and I appreciate your support, bros.